Starting a Montessori homeschooling journey can be quite unsettling and stir up feelings of inadequacy and hesitation for many parents, either due to a lack of basic understanding or the fear of getting it wrong. These are all valid reasons. So today, I would like to share a few ideas to bring clarity and help you on your way. Hi, I am Millicent, and welcome back to my channel. First, I'll start by explaining that the Montessori approach is built on three important elements: the prepared adult, the prepared environment, and the child. So all my suggestions and tips will come under these three key elements. So tips to get prepared as the adult. Number 1, determine your motivation and convictions. There are a plethora of reasons why parents choose or are choosing to homeschool their children. Some of them are due to strong reasons, while others are softer reasons. Whatever the reason, make sure it is 100% yours, as it is going to be your anchor when you feel overwhelmed or uncertainty starts to creep in. Number 2, learn more about the Montessori method. Now, the best way to learn about Montessori is from Montessori herself. So I recommend reading the 1946 London lectures by Dr. Maria Montessori. It is a great book that communicates the heart and fundamentals of the approach, because the Montessori method is first and foremost an educational approach to learning that covers a broad range of learning areas. Another really helpful book is titled Maria Montessori, Her Life and Work by E.M. Standing. I think this is a fantastic book that explains how the Montessori method works. It is a rich and wonderful interpretation of the approach by someone who worked directly with Dr. Montessori herself. Number 3, be prepared to go through a mindshift experience. By this, I mean the process of reflecting, reevaluating, unlearning, and regenerating your mind from the systems or ideas you have been taught or made to believe that learning should happen and the adult-child relationship should be. This involves letting go of your biases and ego, which would all help you on your journey to unlock the incredible potential of the child. Next, tips to prepare the environment. Number 4, determine your designated space or spaces. This is a huge part of starting your homeschool journey, but one most people never consider or overlook. I will be sharing on why this is so crucial for homeschooling in another video. However, I will say that a designated space helps you to introduce and maintain order across board of your homeschooling experience. Number 5, start with what you already have. Materials and child-sized furniture do not make the Montessori method. The philosophy and the principles do. If you understand the philosophy, you can make do, adapt, and do really well with available, makeshift, and traditional Montessori materials. So first, have a look around in your home and see what you've got. If you don't already have a shelf, you can make do with a coffee table for presenting activities. IKEA is also a fantastic option for affordable, well-made and beautifully designed furniture to add to your environment. Please note though that for shelves, I recommend the Billy bookcases, not the Kallax cubes. Still on starting with what you've got, the cupboard in your kitchen, empty toiletries bottles with lids and pipettes, A4 sheets and a pair of small scissors, and borrowing a few pegs from your clothes hanger have you sorted for practical life. Naming household items and matching them to individual letter sounds on paper gets you going for language. Working with patterns, naming and matching shapes, counting and number games when outside are all the math activities you need to get started. So please get started. Number 6, find a curriculum. Thankfully, there are a number of free available Montessori curriculums that you can find online to get you started. They may not be as robust and detailed as some of the ones you pay for. However, they give you plenty to start with and be on your way. Number 7, work with a coach to help you make sense of the Montessori approach and implement it in your unique homeschool environment. Truth is, understanding the what, why, and how of the Montessori method takes time, and I mean years kind of time. Something which as a parent and beginner homeschooler, you probably do not have. Plus, as a homeschooler, your role is very different and unique to that of classroom teachers or professional Montessori guides. Your role is to be a facilitator, someone who makes the environment conducive and the process of learning easier for your child. So working with a coach will help you gain clarity and the tools to embark on a sustainable homeschooling journey. By the way, I do offer a Montessori homeschooling service, and I shall link this in the description below. Finally, the child. Number 8, introduce grace and courtesy lessons to help your child understand the rules of engagement in your homeschool environment. Grace and courtesy lessons basically help the child to show respect for themselves, others, and the environment. So model how to be polite, offer help, tuck the chair under the table after use, roll and unroll the mat, carry the materials to use and return them to their original place after use, and so on. These lessons help your child to function in the homeschool room and develop their social skills. Number 9, set clear expectations and boundaries. Order is a key principle of the Montessori method because it helps the child to make sense of the environment and learning. And number 10, trust your child. Trust that your child is capable of absorbing experiences, processing them, categorizing or classifying, understanding and applying their understanding. Trust that your child will get it in their own way and in their own time. I hope this video has been useful in providing clarity and helping you get started on your Montessori homeschooling journey. Which of these points resonates with you and why? Please let me know in the comments, and also let me know any Montessori or homeschooling topics you would like me to cover. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon so you can be alerted to all of my videos fresh out of the oven. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.